If you think selling a home is just about taking a few photos, putting it online, and waiting for offers to roll in, then you haven't seen what ChatGPT 5 can do for your home sale. This isn't just about replacing your real estate agent, it's about giving you the kind of unfair advantage most sellers don't even know exists yet. Last time I showed you how buyers are using ChatGPT 5 to find hidden listings, negotiate smarter, and spot good deals before anybody else. If you haven't watched that one yet, I've linked right here on screen and in the description below, because it's crucial and so important that you understand what they might be using against you. But today, we're flipping that script. We're talking about 5 ways ChatGPT 5 can help you sell your home faster, for more money, with a whole lot less stress. And I'm giving you the exact prompts that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT so you can start using them right after watching this video. And just like the last video, it may be helpful to pause this video and screenshot these prompts on screen to save for later. And as always, I'm Brett Nibel. I'll leave all of my contact information in the description below. Way 1, guys, write a listing description buyers just can't ignore. Most sellers think the photos do all of the work, but here's the truth. A bad description can kill interest before buyers ever even schedule a showing. With ChatGPT 5, you can turn your basic home facts into a story buyers can picture themselves actually living in. Here's the first prompt card, guys. Get ready to screenshot this. Write a compelling MLS listing description for a 4-bedroom home in Chesterfield, Michigan with an updated kitchen, finished basement, large fenced yard, and target young families and remote workers. When you use a prompt like this, ChatGPT 5 doesn't just spit out bullet points. It can create a warm, inviting description that paints a picture in a buyer's mind. Your home becomes more than just 4 walls, it becomes their future. And when your listing stands out in a crowded market, you get, more showings, more offers, and more importantly, stronger offers. Way number 2, guys, identify and target the right buyers. Not every buyer is right for your home. In fact, your perfect buyer is the one who needs exactly what you have and they're willing to pay for it. ChatGPT 5 can help you figure out exactly who that is. Get your screenshots ready, guys. This is number 2. Analyze this home description and identify the 3 most likely buyer profiles. Suggest target marketing ideas for each profile, and it might tell you something like young families looking for more space, or remote workers who want a home office, or retirees who want low maintenance property in a quiet area. Then it can suggest marketing ideas, where to advertise, what features to highlight, and even the tone to use in your posts. This means every marketing dollar that is spent goes where it will make the biggest impact. Number 3, guys, stage your home like a pro without the guesswork. Look, staging isn't just putting a vase on the counter and fluffing a couple pillows. It's about making your home appeal to the widest number of buyers and doing it cost effectively. ChatGPT 5 can take literally all the guesswork out of this. Get your screenshotting muscles ready, guys. Here's number 3. Suggest a budget-friendly home staging plan for a 4-bedroom home in Chesterfield, Michigan. Focus on neutralizing decor, maximizing light, and making the rooms look larger. The AI can then recommend which furniture to keep, move, and store, affordable updates like new light fixtures and maybe some updated paint colors, and how to arrange rooms so they appear bigger in photos. And here's the bonus. It can tailor the advice to the target buyer that you discovered in number 2 that we talked about, which is just incredible. Way number 4, guys, anticipate and overcome buyer objections. Look, every home has issues, whether it's a busy street, an older roof, or small closets. If you don't prepare for those objections, buyers will use them to negotiate your price down. ChatGPT 5 can help you turn those weaknesses into selling points before the conversations really even come up. Here's your 4th prompt, guys. Based on this home and its listing and market data, list 5 possible buyer objections. Write persuasive responses and reframe each objection positively. For example, if you're near a main road, the AI might suggest highlighting quick access to highways or shorter commute times. If your kitchen isn't updated, it might frame it as ready for the buyer's personal touch. When you anticipate objections, guys, and have well-polished answers ready, you protect your price and you build that buyer confidence. Number 5, prepare for negotiations and closing like a pro. Listen, selling a home isn't over when you get an offer. You still have inspections, appraisals, and a pile of paperwork before you can start to celebrate. ChatGPT 5 can help you prepare for each step so there are fewer surprises and fewer deal killers. Here's your prompt card, guys. Explain the home selling process in Michigan. Highlight 5 common reasons deals fall through and suggest proactive solutions for each. AI might tell you, schedule a pre-listing inspection to avoid last-minute surprises. It's a big one. Gather all permits and receipts for upgrades before listing, and be ready with alternative closing dates to keep deals alive if timing really becomes an issue. And when you address these problems before they even happen, buyers see you as prepared and trustworthy, and the deals, they close more smoothly. Bonus tip, guys, just like the last video, use ChatGPT 5 and your agent together. ChatGPT 5 is a powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for your agent, maybe yet. Think of it like this. You bring the AI research, some content ideas, and prep work, and you work with your agent together on this. Your agent brings local market knowledge, pricing strategy, and negotiation skills. And together, you're unstoppable. We'll see you on the next one, guys.